Greetings, global learning community. I'm Mustafa Bayulgen, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Manufacturing Systems Analysis exclusively on Coursera, created in collaboration with Starweaver. This course is your gateway to mastering the fundamentals of how to analyze a manufacturing system, a skill that's more relevant today than ever before. In a world where every physical possession we have comes as a result of a manufacturing process, understanding manufacturing systems analysis is crucial. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional skill set or enrich your personal knowledge, manufacturing systems offers a comprehensive exploration of process optimization, lean manufacturing, Six Sigma technology integration, simulation, artificial intelligence integration, and sustainability practices. From process optimization to lean manufacturing and everything in between, this course covers the essential aspects of manufacturing systems. You'll emerge with a solid understanding of how to analyze and improve manufacturing systems. Our interactive platform encourages you to engage, question, and collaborate, ensuring a rich learning experience. But manufacturing systems analysis is more than just a course. It's a global community. Join learners from across the globe as we embark on this journey together. Share insights, exchange ideas, and grow alongside peers who share your passion for manufacturing systems. Are you ready to take the next step in your professional development journey? Review the course details, enroll in manufacturing systems analysis, and start learning today. Let's unlock new possibilities and pave the way to a brighter future together. I'm Mustafa Bayulgen, and I can't wait to welcome you to our virtual classroom on Coursera, powered by the innovative partnership between Coursera and Starweaver. See you there.